So now we're gonna let it sit for 5 whistles and then it'll be done.
5 whistles? What does that mean?
It's Sunday morning, please let me sleep.
You want to work out though, right?
Yeah.
Sunday fun day, work out.
So first of all, पिछले vlog में काफी लोगों ने comment किया था कि अब credit card bill नीचे जाएगा, but that's wrong. It actually has increased because pillow fight में मेरा अच्छा वाला पिलो खराब हो गया. It torn away and US में पता नहीं pillows बहुत ज़्यादा thick होते हैं. So they are above my shoulder level. So that's why I ordered this pillow from Amazon. So ये unbox करता हूँ. इंडिया में मेरे पास सारे thin pillows थे, पर यहाँ पे पता नहीं क्यों इतने ज़्यादा thick हैं. Come on. Okay, so brand new pillow is here. Yes, this is how thick the pillow should be. Amazing. So this will definitely be below my shoulder level. Anyways, this is not sponsored, but I'll leave the link in the description below.
Want to chop this?
Yeah.
Okay, it's so big.
So what is it called? Do you remember?
Capsicum.
Yes.
Wait, what is it called in Hindi?
I don't know. I think Shimla Mirch, yeah. And yep. And a lot of people commented that it's called capsicum in Australia and New Zealand and India, and in UK they call it green pepper, and US they call it bell pepper.
Well, or green pepper.
Oh,
it's a green bell pepper.
Green bell pepper. Okay, cool.
Your teacher taught you British English, I thought.
Yeah, but I mean,
I guess
some words are like
confused. Yeah. Like, did you learn elevator is lift?
Elevator is lift, and for example, garage is garage.
Garage and car park. Garage. Park your car in the car park or the garage. You know what beans do?
Beans are protein.
And they make you fart.
They make you fart. Okay, but I don't.
You didn't
fart.
know that?
No.
Oh right, you don't fart at all.
Yeah. Can you show that expression again? That was. Oh my god.
That's the biggest lie. If any girlfriend tells you that her boyfriend doesn't fart, she's lying. She's lying.
Yeah, I don't fart.
Did you know what tacos were before coming here?
No, not really.
See, I just thought tacos were so universal. You know, like burgers and things like that.
I never had tacos in India, only in the US.
Really?
Actually, yeah.
I'm still concerned that.
That's too big for you?
Yeah,
What the? That's what?
this is big. This is huge.
The recipe says just chopped.
Yeah, but I mean, this will fit in your mouth, right? So this can.
This alone will fit in my mouth, but if you combine this with everything, then it won't.
No, you use a fork and you could eat it with a fork.
Yeah,
you don't have
okay.
to like.
I think she made it last time, and this is my first time making. Yeah.
Your chopping skills are not at all efficient, man.
They're better than mine.
I think they are better than.
You should watch YouTube videos on how to chop onion, capsicum.
But see, these onions are so finely chopped. See how fine.
Yeah, you're doing a good job.
What about
Honestly,
this?
I'm not just saying that.
If you're showing it, sure. Is this finely chopped?
It didn't say how finely chopped. It just said chopped.
Okay. Anyways.
Man, you wonder when no one cooks for you.
Yeah, because I have high standards.
Or you're just very particular about things.
So this is how you open can. So let me show you. Yeah, coming. Oh wait, it's so hot here. Oh, the oven is on. That's why I was like, it's burning hot. Anyway, so put it here and then press it on the top, please. Yeah, press it like down. It's cool, right?
Yeah, it is really cool.
Yeah.
It's expensive.
How much does it cost?
I don't know. The fancier the product.
Wait,
It's done. It's done.
is it actually opening?
Yeah, it's done. Can you pull it off?
I
Yeah, so-
didn't see the crack.
No, it is open. So all you have to do is now. See,
Oh,
tan-ta-da.
that
Right,
is
magic.
cool. Is it worth how much it costs? No, probably not.
I think it saves a lot of time, so it's worth it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Diced green chilies. That's a really nice board. So mushroom first?
Oh, just all three. I'm just trying to put an even amount of both, into each.
Okay. Oh, this flame is pretty big. The medium is bigger than I thought, so let's make it lower.
You can make it lower.
So we're gonna put it on a dish now. Here.
It's turning off.
Oh, sorry. This way. So this is. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And you didn't even know how to turn it on before.
It scared me.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap. Yeah.
Flame coming up. Because
Yeah.
we just have the electric one.
Yeah, because like what she did before was she left it like this and gas was coming out. She forgot to use the lighter. So you have to use a lighter, remember that. And I'm pretty much used to using a lighter since India, since being in India.
Oh, that's how all of them are in
Yeah,
India?
all the stoves in India are like that.
So how long you are going to bake your enchiladas?
25.
25 minutes.
Can you hang on?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Here, you can eat
What
some of
I
these
can do what?
onions left in here.
Wow.
Ooh, saucy.
Yeah.
And
Enchilada
then
is almost ready.
cheese.
Oh, cheese as well? Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Excited, right?
What kind of sauce is this?
And it's
Red
literally just
enchilada
called
sauce.
enchilada sauce.
Yeah.
This won't be less?
No, this is fine. This is a good amount.
Okay.
I mean,
I usually pour a whole packet. More
Yeah,
calories.
pour it, feed
Pour
it.
it.
More
Finish it.
calories, the better. More cheese, the better. Actually.
oh damn.
Yes.
Oh damn. I've never had it with this much cheese. I assume it'll be good.
You have made enchiladas before, Arpit?
No, I have eaten enchiladas.
You put that much
That
cheese.
day when Shane took me for my dinner.
He's getting it out of the oven.
Finally. Yeah.
Both hands? Both hands? Why
Yeah,
do I have
both
to-
hands. Ooh.
So tempting.
Yeah.
Yeah, you said it's gonna take around 30 minutes. It took honestly like more than 1.5 hours. I'm like starving. Arpit, you too, right?
I'm starving. Just late dinner for me.
Yeah.
Wait, what time is it?
It's like
7:30.
Yeah.
7:36.
It's
Yeah.
late dinner.
Yeah.
We usually have by 7 or
6,
6.
7. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought you all ate dinner late.
No.
No, I eat dinner early. Yeah. These are two.
I think.
Okay. These seems like 3.
Oh, wait. You're right.
These are 3. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's start with 2 each,
Yeah.
and then we can have more.
Here, Arpit.
Head of the family first.
It's like, when lions hunt, it's
Yeah.
always the females that hunt, and then the males eat the food first.
Yeah.
What kind of bullshit is that?
Yeah.
Thank you for calling me a lion.
Well, to be fair, you cooked last night, so.
Yeah, he cooked paneer for us, and now
Yeah.
it was our turn. You did most of the work, but thank you so much.
No, you also worked too. I think it was probably like,
Mutual effort.
it was probably like,
60-40.
yeah,
70-30.
no, 60-40.
Yeah.
No, honestly, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Here you
This is yours. You have a seat, and
No,
I will
I'll
bring
just-
mine.
I'll-
You first.
Okay.
The lioness first.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Double the cheese I usually use. I was thinking it's already like 3 or 4 times the cheese I usually use.
Yeah, it looks really tempting, but it's more spicy than my tolerance level.
Wait, do you go to Taco Bell?
Yeah.
Yes.